Greetings from Indian Medical Association and eMedi News. I am Dr. K.K. Agarwal, National Vice President-elect, Indian Medical Association. Welcome to our show, Chat with Dr. K.K. We have with us Dr. Anil Kumar Singh, who is the Secretary of IMA AK and Sinha Institute. We also have with us Dr. Mithleshwar Kumar, who is the Joint Secretary of IMA AK and Sinha Institute. Welcome to our show.
Thank you, sir.
I was also the director at IMA AK and Sinha sometimes back.
Yeah.
Couple of years back, and now in the last couple of years, what new has come in IMA AK and Sinha Institute?
Sir, it is progressing day and day. Nowadays, 16 courses are there.
So one of the job of the IMA AK and Sinha Institute is online courses.
Yes, no online. It is only a distant education.
Distant education courses. So you have a distant education courses, and you don't intend making them online.
No, it is. We are interested to do it online. But nowadays, a module is being sent to the doctors.
So you send a module and then you give us an examination and you get.
At the moment, we are sending by post to them, but we are planning to
So
put it on.
After how many years we are updating the module?
How much time?
It is since 4 years.
So 4 years. Every 4 years you have to update the module.
Yeah.
So that the person who now these courses.
Yeah.
So if a person has done a course of IMA AK and Sinha Institute, what is the credibility of this course as far as government is concerned? Do they consider it? Do they consider in their promotions, or it is only for a GP to update the knowledge?
It is only only for the general knowledge.
At the moment, it is for GP, but we wish that it should be well recognized either through the MCI, so that it's.
So we don't require. See, when it comes to state medical councils,
Yes.
you have Maharashtra, you have Delhi, you have every state medical
Right,
council.
right.
You can apply to the state medical council and have accredited hours for this course.
But will-
and if they apply for that, we don't need MCI recognition. For accredited hours, we don't need
Yes,
MCI
we need.
recognition.
We will try. Just now we have been elected. We are trying for this, and also this we want to this courses to be recognized by the universities. The certificate course. It is still not like that, but we are trying from the AK university.
So, is there a possibility that IMA AK and Sinha Institute itself becomes a deemed university
yeah, very
and start recognizing it?
Yeah.
We
You
wish
have to.
that unless it is well recognized degrees and governments are not recognizing these degrees,
We don't need.
they are not going to
I'm
get
trying
any
to
benefit.
say- No. I'm trying to say is IMA can recognize. IMA is already recognizing
Yes.
it. Okay. At the moment, it is IMA AK and Sinha who is recognizing it, but let the IMA propose it to IMA. Let IMA recognize it.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is a IMA recognized.
Sir.
In all our states where IMA has a control in the councils, those councils can accreditate it,
Yes.
not recognize. We don't need recognition, but they can accredit it.
Accredited, yes.
We can have accreditation by the foreign universities.
Mhm.
We have lots of courses which we have from the foreign universities.
Yes.
If we really want to do that, we can do that. So that, I mean, let me again come back. How many people are getting distant educational courses per year?
That data is not available per year, but I think 100 to 150 candidates every month.
Every month.
Every
So that
month.
means almost like the,
Almost
more than 1,000 people are
yes,
getting
more than
trained.
1,000 to 1,500.
1,000 to 1,500.
Yeah.
Okay. Is there any exam or is the same? I mean.
We send a questionnaire to solve them, and we evaluate this answer sheet, and then after that we give the certificate.
So okay. So apart from the distant educational programs, what else IMA AK and Sinha Institute is
Yes, just now we have a CME program, very beautiful, very nice program of 2 days, in which our National President and Secretary and Sri Dr. Parao has attended it at both here. Just now, 5 days.
Okay, I want a training in echocardiography, ultrasound, X-ray, or CT scan, or MRI. I mean, there are courses available in Academy of Medical Specialities, and but is IMA AK and Sinha also thinking of imparting knowledge and courses for skill education?
Yes, sir.
You are.
Yeah.
Okay, and for becoming a member of IMA AK and Sinha Institute, what do I have to do? Suppose I've just done my MBBS, I've
These
become a member
degrees
of IMA.
must be well accredited. Government should recognize these degrees. If these things are not happening, it will not be of much use. Except for simply being used.
No,
by
for a GP,
general
no, for a legal cause. If there is a case against me, and if I show them these certificates,
Yes.
it will have a value. It will have
But-
a safety value for me
But
from the
there
legal
should have
grounds.
been some recognition of these degrees those who are acquiring it, either in the job, not only for medical legal, but it should be well recognized everywhere.
No, recognized can be by the, say for example, I learned my echocardiography. There is no recognized course in India. So I am imparting education. If the course is good,
Yeah.
and if IMA is recognizing it, why should we need any other recognition? Let IMA recognize it. That's it.
We are also providing a credit points, equivalent to this CME program.
CME program. So credit hours you are providing.
Credit
Hours.
You are providing. Now, how do I become a member of IMA Kensington Institute?
Anybody can take education who has passed MBBS examination, but who are life member of IMA,
Automatically
we,
are.
we reduce the charges. That is about 10,000 and 15,000 for who is not
So-
life member of IMA.
So what Dr. Anil Kumar and what Dr. Mithleshwar says is very clear, that all members of Indian Medical Association should consider updating their knowledge through distant learning courses. We see lots of people doing BA, MA by distant learning courses, and these similar courses are available in Indian Medical Association. Go back to the site of Indian Medical Association, go back to IMA Kensington Institute sub-site in our IMA website and find out what courses are available. Join them, educate yourself and reward yourself with a certificate course which can be of value to you in saving yourself from medical legal problems. And also, if you are a GP, if you are practicing GP, if you are specializing in that particular course, you can start. For example, if there is a course in cardiology, if you attend, you can write yourself as a family physician with interest in cardiology, or you can say you are a family cardiologist. These terms you can use and start practicing. This will help you in gaining your knowledge and also improving your practice. Let's thank Mithleshwar and Dr. Anil.
Thank you,
And that's all for today. We'll come back with one more show. Till that, goodbye. Thank you.